Hello. Sometimes, in the midst of our busy lives, we forget to pause and reflect on what truly matters. Today, let's embark on a journey of dreams and discoveries as I ask you a profound question. What is your vision for life? Imagine strolling through vibrant city streets, surrounded by towering skyscrapers representing unique stories. Feel the energy pulsating through the air, the world at your fingertips. Your vision might involve exploring these concrete jungles, discovering cultures, cuisines, and creating memories that last a lifetime. Now, picture standing on a pristine beach, with the sun gently caressing your skin and the ocean whispering secrets to your soul. This is where dreams come alive, worries drift away. Perhaps your vision includes traversing sandy shores, embracing the serenity of nature, and finding solace in the rhythm of the tides. Shift your focus to something equally important: family. Imagine being surrounded by loved ones, their laughter echoing in your heart as you share moments of joy and support. Family is the anchor that keeps us grounded, the source of unconditional love and encouragement. Your vision may encompass quality time with family, creating cherished bonds that grow stronger with every passing year. Money. It may not be the key to happiness, but it does grant us freedom and opportunities. Imagine building a successful career, creating a life of abundance and financial security. Money can empower you to fulfill your aspirations, support causes close to your heart, and make a positive impact on the world. Your vision might involve financial prosperity, not as an end in itself, but as a means to unlock new possibilities. Lastly, let's explore the realm of adventure. Picture yourself standing on a mountaintop, the wind tousling your hair, as you marvel at the breathtaking view below. Life is a grand adventure, and your vision may include pushing boundaries, conquering fears, and embarking on thrilling experiences that ignite your spirit. The world is a vast playground, waiting to be explored. So, my friends, as you heard these descriptions, did any of them resonate with your own vision for life? Perhaps it's a blend of all these elements or something entirely unique to you. Regardless, remember that your vision is valid and worthy of pursuit. It's a compass that guides your steps, reminding you of what truly matters. Now, go out into the world with purpose and determination. Embrace the beauty of travel, the warmth of family, the possibilities that come with financial stability, and the thrill of new adventures. Your vision for life is a reflection of your deepest desires, and by pursuing it, you have the power to shape a life that is uniquely yours.